How to make a beautiful paracord bracelet, mated snake knot, the free color paracord bracelet. So if you learn how to make this beautiful bracelet, stay tuned, cause in the next few minutes you will learn that. Enjoy and have fun. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound. For today's project we're gonna use this red Paracord 550, white one and blue, also the Paracord buckle. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, the full tutorial we have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So we're gonna take our red paracord and we're gonna insert one end of the red paracord into the buckle from the top, and then we're gonna pull it together. And here we have the center of our cord, so we have the even length from the both sides. We're gonna do the same with the white and the blue, and we're gonna continue. So now we arranged our paracord into the buckles, and we're gonna start with today's knots. So we're gonna take the top side of a red and we're gonna pass it around the back strand of a red, as you can see, and then we're gonna create the basic snake knot. So we're gonna take this bottom side of a red, or let's call it the left side of a red, and then around, and we're gonna return it from the back into this loop on the left side. So pull it through the loop on the left, and by doing this we created the basic snake knot with two loops. And we're not gonna tie it yet because we need to insert our white strand through this loop here. So take the white strand, this top strand of a white, pass it through the loop here, through this red loop, then under the bottom, let me set this aside so you can clearly see, under this bottom strand of a white, like so, then to the side, and with this bottom side of a white paracord we're gonna take it and make it around this strand here, and then we're gonna pull it through the loop here. So again we have the two loops, the left side and the right side. We're not gonna tie it yet, we need to do the blue color. So once more, the top side of a blue, pass it through the loop of the white here and under the bottom strand of a blue, and to the side, and with this bottom strand around this strand here, and then pass it from the top into the loop here, the blue loop, and basically we created the three snake knots. Now we're gonna tie it and proceed. Now from here we're gonna continue with the snake knots. So the right strand of a red around the left strand of a red, then the left strand of a red around the right strand of a red, and from the top through the loop on the left side. Now with this right strand of a white, we're gonna take it and pass it through the loop, this left side, the right side of a red cord, right side loop of a red cord, and then under this left strand of a white. Now with this left strand of a white under this right side strand, and then around it, and from the top through this loop here. Now we're gonna take the right strand of a blue, we're gonna pass it through the loop of the white cord and under the left strand of a blue. Then with the left strand of a blue around the right strand of a blue, and then from the top through the loop here. Now we're gonna tie it. So here we are. I reached the desired length of a bracelet. Now we are left just to secure these strands into the free side of a buckle. These two sides will be the cords we're gonna pull it through the buckle. So we're gonna cut off these two strands here, and we're gonna leave the one strand of a white and cut the other. So basically we're gonna cut these three strands and leave this free. Now I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and we're gonna secure these strands to the buckle. So insert first the white strand into the buckle, so from the top through, and from here we're gonna basically take the white strand, pass it onto the left side from the back, then around, so we're gonna create a little loop, and we're gonna pull the strands through the loop like so. Now we're gonna take the blue strand and we're gonna do the same from the top into the buckle. Then we're gonna pass it around from the top and then through the loop. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon in the next video. Until then, enjoy and have fun. Bye!